kind of felt like I needed to make a video ending for our PRI trip last week. It's been a week since I've been home, and crazy busy with the shop, crazy busy with work, outside of shop, dealing with different things and getting ready for Christmas, and spending time with my grandbabies and stuff. And so, you know, we went to Indy, me and Mike and Colin, and I didn't get very much video just because I just couldn't. We went and seen Mike Wagner up at Cornfield, and really had a good time. Talked to him. Got to see some of his shop, some of his other stuff, his land speed cars again. And I just really enjoyed going up there and talking with him. Got to see him in Vegas there for a little bit, and just really enjoyed talking to Mike. And I keep telling him I'm gonna sign up for one of his classes, but just haven't. But get back to the story here. So we went there to Cincinnati and seen Mike, and we went to the hotel, and the hotel isn't a hotel that we generally stay at, and it just kind of bombed from the word go. Which kind of put us all in kind of a little funk, but we decided we were going to go eat, and we went to a major chain restaurant for food, and the next morning got up, ate a yogurt, had my coffee like I generally do it every time I go to a hotel. That's kind of like my go-to. And so we Uber to the show, and a couple hours in, I'm making my contacts and stuff, talking with people, and man, I'm just starting to hurt. Just really starting to hurt. So I actually told the guys, I said, I'm gonna Uber back to the hotel. I ain't feeling good. Well, come to find out, I got food poisoning, and I really honestly thought I was gonna have to go to the ER because I was in so much pain. But luckily I didn't. And the snow coming in and everything, and so we all talked the next morning. The guys got to stay that Friday at the show and see, because that was their first PRI, and so they enjoyed it and whatnot, and got to stay home, or got to stay at the hotel Friday by myself. Saturday we woke up and everybody was like, storm's moving in, let's just go ahead and roll out. I still wasn't feeling 100%, but I was way better than the day before. So I decided that instead of me going to PRI, I generally go to the Motor Speedway. So we decided to go. Mike and I went to the Motor Speedway. Colin went back over to the PRI to see some of his drag and drive buddies, and Mike and I went to go see some stuff at the museum. And if you guys haven't been to the museum since they remodeled it, holy crap, man! Like, it is absolutely cool as shit. Probably the coolest I've seen a museum since Science and Industry Museum when I was like 4. So if you guys can see it, you need to see it. Get over that. So that was kind of our end of our PRI trip, and we made it home safe, obviously. The trip home, we left about noon, and there was probably 1 inch to 2 inches of snow on the ground, and they really hadn't cleaned anything off. And old Colin was hanging to the door in the back, and seatbelt on, and just kind of quivering a little bit. He's from California. He didn't know nothing about that snow. So, but we all had a decent time. I'm not sure. I didn't have a decent time, obviously, but the highlight of it was meeting some of you guys and getting to see some of the vendors I don't get to see much during the year. But you know, it is what it is, man, and it's just par for the course. So maybe 2026 will be better for us, and you know, we're growing, we're striving, we're thriving, we're striving for better and better every time. We got a re-edition, I think, coming in after the first of the year. He's coming back, so he'll be back on the channel again. So you know, let's just take this time, enjoy this time of year, and I will see you on the next one. Thanks, guys.